Hi, this is Pratik, your friendly neighborhood trekking guide. The most frequently asked question to me is where can we trek near Mumbai? So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 beginner friendly treks which you can trek near Mumbai. Hope you like this video and please subscribe to my channel.
Tikona Fort is one of the easiest treks in Maharashtra. The route is very safe and it takes 1.5 hours to reach to the top. It is located near Lonavala, around 120 km from Mumbai. Sanjay Gandhi National Park offers 7 hiking trails of varying lengths and difficulty. The park's main entrance is on the Western Express Highway in Borival East, 40 km north of the city center. Korigad is a hill fort located about 20 km south of Lonavala near Amby Valley. It has one of the easiest trekking routes which takes approximately 45 minutes to reach to the top from the base village Amby Valley. Korigad is an ideal one-day easy trek. It is located near Lonavala and around 100 km from Mumbai. It takes around 1.5 hours of trekking to reach to the top of the fort from base village Malavli. Kothali Guard is a small fort situated to the east of Korigad, 95 km from Mumbai. It is a famous trek in the Korigad area because of its small height and easy climbing. Stay tuned to my channel to get more trekking tips.